Hello, welcome to this live demo that we're going to do. This is a way that we help businesses get around 27% more sales every single month. From a customer perspective, it'll look at something like this. Whenever they're looking for a stylist or a salon to go to, they'll just look up salons on Google and then they will find the first salon that they like and they'll call it. And if they don't answer, they'll just call the next salon until they eventually find someone that does answer the phone. Now, the issue here is, and why people are losing sales, is that they tend to 60 to 70% of businesses don't actually answer the phone. The business that answers the phone is the one that gets the sale most of the time. This is what it looks like. So if one client is worth around $150 to you, and you miss around 100 calls a month, which is really like 3 calls a day, just about. What happens is you convert around 30% of the people who actually call you because they're already interested in your service. That means you will lose around $4,500 a month in sales. So just lost, completely gone. And by the time that someone usually does get around to calling them back, it's usually too late because they already found someone else because they answered the phone first. This is an example of a website that has this stuff. We will either build you a brand new website or we'll add this to your current website. One is a AI phone number, this right here. And what this does is they'll call the number and it will always answer and it can handle multiple phone calls at once. So when I call the number, which I'm about to do right now and show you. So I'm calling the number on my phone.
Hey, you have reached the Glow Hair Salon. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to set up an appointment for tomorrow morning at 9:30 to come in and get my hair curled and get it dyed blue.
Got it. You're looking to get your hair curled and dyed blue at 9:30 tomorrow morning.
Yep,
Let's get you
right.
all set. Could I get your full name, please?
Oh, my name is Angelo Johnson.
Thanks, Angelo. Just to confirm, that's ANGELOJOHNSON, right?
Yep.
Awesome. Could you give me your best contact number?
It is 313-600-3489.
Thanks. Just to make sure I've got it right, your phone number is 313-600-3489.
Yep,
Is that correct?
Yep, that is right.
Perfect. Now, could I get your email address to send you a confirmation?
All right, it is angelojohnson112@gmail.com.
Thanks. Just to confirm, your email is angelojohnson112@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Awesome. I've got you scheduled for a hair curl and blue dye tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning. Just to confirm, Angelo, you're all set for that time. Okay. Does that work for you?
Yep, that works.
Great. Thanks for choosing Glow Hair Salon, Angelo. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Okay. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Thank you. As you can see, that was the AI receptionist. They answered the phone, and then it took all my information down and set up an appointment, and it repeated it back to me to make sure the information was right. And then over here, we have the chat bot, which is the same thing, just in text form. So whenever they come to your website, they look at it, they will be able to type in here, and then the AI will respond. It will respond quickly, and it will sound like a human responding, and they'll be able to give them the answers to whatever questions they might have, or book them in for an appointment based on whatever they might want. And then we have the thing down here, which is the scheduling form. So essentially, they'll come onto the website, they'll pick a day and time that works for them, and they'll select it. And then they'll put in their name, email, phone number, same information I just gave to the AI on the phone. And then they'll describe what they want. And then they'll set up the meeting. And that's pretty much it. So they'll also get reminders as well. But if we go over into here, the back end with our software, you'll be able to see what happens. You have the first thing, which is a appointment being booked through the calendar that I just showed last. So connected their phone number, their email, and then also what they wanted on there. And here we have the AI that I called. So again, get their name, their phone number, and email address, and also figure out what they want. And then it'll put it in the notes right here. So you can see I wanted hair curled with blue hair. Next, we have the chatbot, which is this right here. So essentially, it came on here like a person would and just had a conversation with it. So it says, what would you like done today? And then it says, I'm looking for curly hair. And this is like their human responses, and it's able to handle whatever things it said to it. It gave it a list of times that was available. It picked the time, and then we confirmed it, gave it the contact information. And then it said it was all set, and it confirmed the appointment being booked. So that's just one of the ways that we're able to handle the communication and handle any inbound calls to make sure that you get, on average, about 27% more sales per month, and be able to save those 10 hours a week of valuable time. So you don't have to spend all this time going back and forth with customers, trying to handle scheduling and do this and do that. We can have an AI do it for you. So some more features that we have in here is the calendars. So you can see this is the appointment that I booked earlier when I was on the phone. This is, and all your appointments will show up here. So whenever they book an appointment with AI, it'll show up here. This is the conversation. So this is where all your conversations are converged together. So let's say you have email, let's say you have WhatsApp, let's say you have SMS or a phone number, and let's say you have a Facebook page. We will connect all of them to the software and they'll all merge into this section. So whenever someone messages you on Facebook, whenever someone emails you, whenever someone texts you, it'll all pop up in here and it'll be easy to respond to. So on here, it'll give me the options based off whatever information that I have. So you see, it says I have SMS, I have email. I can pick whichever one works for me, and I could just send them an email or send them a WhatsApp or send them an SMS on here and be able to communicate with them on all these different channels from just one place, from one singular place. And then down here, I have the opportunities tab when they visited it, and I can keep track of all my leads in one place and where they would be as far as converting them to a sale or not. Down here, we got the ability to collect payments. So you will just connect your whatever your payment processor is. So if it's Stripe, Square, or whatever, you connect it here, and then you will just click whatever type of invoice you want, a one-time invoice, a recurring invoice, and then you will just send it over to them, and they can be able to pay it. Also, we have a mobile app on the phone that works as well. So first, when you open up the app, it'll show the conversations tab. You can also collect payments on here, similar to that. And you can use a calendar to set up book appointments for different clients. And this can all be done from your phone. So we have people that are our clients that only use their phone and never use a desktop. And we have people who only use the desktop but never use their phone. It just depends on what you want. You'll have access to both no matter what plan you choose. If you want some more in-depth demo, you could click on the calendar below. You can schedule a time with us. We'll hop on a Zoom with you. We'll do one-on-one, break everything down for you in more detail if you have some more questions. Or if you want to just try it out for yourself, we have a 7-day free trial. You can click one of the buttons on the web page to start a free trial, and it goes for 7 days. And then you can just try it out and see if you want to use it or not. And we'll provide you as much support as you need to fix whatever problems you might have. So with that being said, thank you guys, and have a good one.